Hey guys, it's me Gracie, and today I'm in my car. You can see the steering wheel. I am cleaning my car because my car is very dirty. That was my horn. My car is very dirty and needs to be cleaned. It has spilt coffee in it because I was getting one of my coworkers coffee because they asked me, they gave me the money. I did not buy them the coffee because my coffee money is not for you, it's for me. Why? Okay. So, I am cleaning out my car, but I spilled coffee because one of my coworkers asked me to go get them coffee, and I was just driving along and hit a pothole, and it bounced, and the coffee went splat all over my cup holders, and so I haven't cleaned it up, and it's been like 2 weeks. Kind of disgusting. You should see my room. Kind of also disgusting, so I'm gonna clean that later. See all that? I don't know what that is. Kind of disgusting. That's the coffee, and that's all the stuff. That's just like stains. That's my water bottle. That's a penny. It's all dusty. That's my little doggy. Before I start, I just want to say, keeping my car clean is really easy. Besides when I fill my schedule, because I'm so mispopular that I feel my schedule. Cleaning out my car, I just moved my car, and the coffee stinks so bad, and it spilled like right up here by my steering wheel. Oh my god. I literally want to throw up. I do not like what soggy things. I don't like wet and soggy fucking things. It just stinks. This is fucking nasty. I also don't like throwing up. I have a big fear of throwing up. So, that's great. Could you just imagine? Oh my god, I would... Sorry. Try not to puke for 5 minutes straight, or however long this video is. Watch my mom beat my ass because I'm using all the paper towels. No, so I think I do a pretty good job at cleaning my car because all my other sisters, my sister Brianna's car, whew, that do be looking like a mess though. Sissa, clean your car because it's nasty. It's nasty. She I don't know. She does have a kid though, but still, when I do have a kid, if they get my car cleaned, be off with their fucking head. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, okay? I love kids. My mom, growing up, kept her car really clean. Like, when I say really clean, like, it was, you could probably eat off of the floor. But in my sister Brianna's car, you don't want to, you don't want to. That thing is like a black hole. Black hole. Once thing goes in, it doesn't come out. No offense, Brianna. Love you. Like, right now, my car is really dirty. I mean, it's not like dirty, like, but it was still cleaner than Brianna's car, even though when it was filthy. Like, her car, it's just like spilled coffee everywhere, so but no, my mom kept her car clean, and if we made a mess, we would get the wooden spoon. I'm a wooden spoon survivor, and oh my god, okay, I feel like a lot of my friends don't know the struggle of being a wooden spoon survivor. Survivor. Like, when I saw that thing come out in my mom's hand, my butt knew that I was going to die. I was like, is this my last day of living? Because I got the wooden spoon so many times as a kid, and I'm thankful for my mom doing that. Me cleaning my car, and now my steering wheel is locked, and I want to start my car. I haven't cleaned up here, but I'm not going to film anything else because I don't want it to be too long and I'm really lazy. So I'm going to go because my steering wheel, see, my steering wheel is locked. I can't start my car. Started it. I proved you wrong. I made you my little person thing. I made you my car. I was going to say a bad word, but decided not to. So I'm going to go. So bye.